Hello my crafty friends, it's P. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a project share, and as always I'm going to show you what I used first. So, start with some inks here. I used my favorite things, Gravel Gray. That's what it looks like. And Lawn Fawn Plastic Flamingo. Also used some Valentine's Day washi. You're going to see some pink here. I know that's shocking for you guys, but the person that I created this for likes pink. So, there you go. Also used one of these doilies from Michaels. These are oldies but goodies. They're from Recollections. I used a Cuttlebug Swiss dot embossing folder. The paper that I used is from Lawn Fawn. It's called Spring Fling, and I used these two right here. And somebody asked me not so long ago, I'm just going to show this really quick, how I store the scraps to my 6x6 paper pads, and I'm going to show you. This is not my idea. This came from Tracy's Treasures 24. It is a 6x9 envelope, like a manila style envelope, that I've cut in half, and as you can see, I've overhung it just a little bit past the paper pad. That's so that a 6x6 scrap can fit in here, and I just glue it in there, and that's where I store all my scraps for the paper pad. This one's kind of coming apart, but that is okay because the rubber band holds it together. So that's just a little helpful hint for you. I use these little hearts right here. They're just little wood hearts, and honestly, I think I got those at Tuesday morning, but you know, Tuesday morning's been gone for like a year now, so I don't know. I used this die. This is the Prim Hearts by Spellbinders. I used this stamp by PTI. It's called Kindness Counts. And I used Our Days Are Happier When We Share a Bit of Our Heart. And that's it right there. You can see all the sentiments. I use this little heart and arrow die, and this is from the MFT Tag Builder number 5. Sorry for the glare, guys. So it's that little heart and arrow. This is a company that is no longer in business, unfortunately. It's Little Inker, and these are the stitched rounded rectangles. I used part of this stamp. This is MFT Sweet Sentiments, and I used the Sweet Friend out of the Hello Sweet Friend, and I just cut that off. And then when I need to do the Hello Sweet Friend, I can just connect them together. I used this die right here, which is the MFT, let's see. It's the Skinny Strips. I used this stamp as well. This is Paper Tray Ink Thoughtful Creations, and I used this one right here, which is I Will Always Remember Your Kindness. I also used this Technique Tuesday. No, wait, Memento. Sorry, or Momenta. the hello. I did not use the circle. I used just the word hello because I love the script on that. And finally, I used the Mama Elephant framed tags, Waverly, and I used the outside shape here. So that is everything that I used. Yep, that's a lot. I have a tendency to pull out a lot of stuff when I'm creating. It's kind of a challenge to myself to see how much I can use out of my room, because isn't that the whole point? So I created a card, and this is my card. So as you can see, I have that paper in the background and that scalloped stitch shape. I don't know if you can see it there. I have the paper doily. I cut out the prim hearts, and then I embossed that. Now the paper that I used here, this is from a pack from MFT. It is called Pink Lemonade. So that is the color right there. This is a replenish pack, and to me this is the best way, the best value for your buck. You get one sheet of each of these. And it's a really reasonable price, and it's 100-pound cardstock, and it's really nice cardstock. So that is the prim heart right there. I also used some gold stickles. I totally forgot about that. So that's these right here. So here is the little MFT skinny strips, and I just stamped that in gray, put one of the little wood hearts on it, and coated that with the stickles. There's a little sequin that happened to be on my desk from something I'll show you in a minute, and so I just glued it down there and added a little bit of stickles to give the triangle here. Here is the little butterfly, which I have hit the edge of the wings with the gold stickles, and another heart. And I added just a little bauble that I had. I realized, you guys, that, which kind of made me laugh, that I didn't have any pink pearls. At least not in small sizes, so I guess in about a week I'm gonna be getting some more beads when I go back to Michael's. And then here is the inside, where I've used the Lawn Fawn ink. That's the plastic flamingo. And that's the paper tray ink sentiment there. I have cut this in gold cardstock. That is the MFT little arrow from the, what is it called? I forget. The Tag Builder set number 5. I actually remembered that. And then here is the gravel gray again, and the paper tray ink sentiment. And then on the back is my little handmade by P-Tag, and that is my card. I have one more thing to share with you guys. I recently hauled some Tailored Expressions little confetti hearts, and that's what, here's what they look like. So you can see those right there. Aren't they cute? Well, I decided that since I had these, that I would go ahead and make a sequin mix, so I wanted to share with you guys what I did. So I used a Spellbinder die to cut this little tag, and this is out of the Paper Tray Ink Razzleberry paper, and I just double backed that, and then I tied some pink twine, pink and white twine, around this edge. And inside is another one of these cuts, but it is this right here. It's vinyl from Michael's. This is what it looks like. And I think it was called Rose Gold, if I remember right. I just thought it was, you know, for pink, it's pretty. And I just thought it was, you know, we're good for the projects that I was doing for my pink loving friends. And so I just cut that out. It took a metal shim and about 4 trips back and forth because it is thicker. And then inside I just have a little container, and I'll show you what those look like. So here are the sequins. So I have seed beads and little pink sequins, the little hearts. There's actually sequin hearts in there. Just lots and lots of prettiness. And then I made 3 of those. There's another look at it. You can see the little heart sequins. And then here's another one that I made 2 of. And that's what that one looks like. It's a lot darker pinks and reds. And there's some no-hole clear iridescent beads in there, as well as some little baubles. So I just packaged those up like that, so there's 2 of each. So there's those 2. So here's the 2 difference. Well, that one's got a lot of. So you can see the color difference in these 2. Oops, sorry. It would help if I was in frame. So this one has a lot more dark colors. So I'll share this with you before I package this up. And that is my card share. And I have another one coming soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. Make a happy memory. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.